A year ago, I started playing a video game. At first, I was very bad. Always I lost very fast and lose everything. But I liked the game very much and I started playing it hours and hours every day. With time, I went to realize that it was improving. It had been a few months and it was already much better than when I started. I was start to make videos on YouTube of game highlights and I saw that if they watch the videos many people. Today, already after a year, I am now in the community. Many want to play with me. I play with some friends from United States, and despite I do not speak English with them, I learned enough, and I communicate with them through English callouts that over time I was learning. In a few days, we will have a tournament in which the winner took um, $1,000 spread out among the team five, and we hope we can win as we have played against several teams that are in the tournament and won them. They just wait and the nervous don't win us.